Hello guys, today I wanted to teach you something interesting and in the same time very dangerous. I have here the UK gas bottle, gas can, and I want to put on this can the European valve because I'm in Europe right now and I don't have where to add the GPL gas in this tank because in Europe the valve system connector is different. This is from UK and this is European one. In UK they have this shape, the conic shape, which is very good, and it's like a mushroom, and it's enter here in a valve like that, and that's it. But in Europe we have the exterior pass of the valve. So this is the hose, European hose. Okay, it's not the same, and I want to put this valve on this can. So today I will show you something which is very dangerous if you don't care of some things and interesting things. I will take off this valve now and I will show you how to measure the path of the thread pass of the valve, because it's not the same in general. And I will show you which kind of pass I have here. It's conic, as you see, but both are conic, and we need to know the distance between the holes, each holes. Now let's take off this valve. I have here 32. Now let's see the path of the valves. I will show you a technique, a method, and how to measure these holes, this path, and the easy one is to do like that, and in this case is very good. Okay. It's the same path, same path. So normally you need to have this tool, but I'm sure you don't have this kind of tool. With this tool you put the thread in that holes, and you don't have this, and I will show you how to measure in a classic way. So we have here the valve, which is conic, and we don't know what kind of thread is this, the path of this thread. So I will show you how to do it with piece of paper. You will take a piece of paper like that, it's a new paper, okay, and you make a fingerprint, a print of the thread. I will show you right now what's happened. Okay, now we have the print of the mark of the thread, and we will count the 10 lines of the thread. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 lines, and now we measure the distance between lines. Okay. So I have 16 millimeters. So the path of the thread is 1.6. Okay, this is very important, the path of the thread of the valve, very important. now it's done. Okay guys, now I have the gas in this can. It's very hot. It's connected to the camper. I connect the hose here to the regulator. Now I will put a can here, a gas can. I have a new gasket here. Okay, turn on the gas. On regulator 2. Let's check the gas now in the camper. Now I think I have air on installation. So I have gas, guys. Good. So that's it. That was the gas can valve. Bye.